Today we're going to study problem and solution, and we're going to use the story Casey Saves the Play to do so. So in Casey Saves the Play, it says Casey dipped her paintbrush in a tray of yellow paint. She was painting stars on a huge screen of wood. The school play this year was Songs in Space. Casey had agreed to paint the sets. While she worked, the actors rehearsed on stage. A girl named Amelia had the lead role. She played an astronaut exploring a new planet. Now she was singing her big song. I always thought the aliens were scary, but on this planet the alien is me. Casey quietly sang along as she painted. She had heard the play being practiced over and over. She knew the words to all the songs by heart. Her friend Kareem helped her paint. You should try out for the next play, he said. You're good. Casey blushed. You're just saying that because you're my friend, she said. I'm way too shy to act on stage like that. The next day was the big dress rehearsal for the play. Casey and Kareem were done painting. They were cleaning up their supplies when Miss Brown, the director, came in. It's a disaster, she said. Poor Amelia broke her foot in gym today. She can't be in the play. What will we do? Kareem raised his hand. I know, he said. Casey knows all the words to the songs. She can take over Amelia's part. Everyone looked at Casey. She suddenly wished she were invisible. No way, she said. Not me. If this is true, Casey, you must do it, Miss Brown said. It's the only way to save the play. So you should have your problem and solution map in front of you. And as you can tell, I've already started filling out the information. But we're going to go back to the story to find evidence of each step. So we're going to first start, and I'm going to zoom in here for you, with the problem. So if we go to the story, we can identify the problem as Amelia broke her foot and can't do the play. I can go back to the passage right where Miss Brown came in and said, it's a disaster. Amelia broke her foot in gym today. Here's my problem. I just put a P next to that, so I know that's the problem in the story. And I can simply write, Amelia broke her foot and can't do the play. Now, the actions leading up to the solution, since that was at the end, there were things that happened in the beginning that led to the solution in the story. The first thing is Casey was painting the set. This allowed her to be near the Amelia, who was practicing the songs. So as they rehearsed, Casey was able to listen to the songs. And then Kareem noticed that Casey had been memorizing the songs and was able to sing them herself. And so he is now aware that she knows the part. Well, then when the disaster struck, Kareem told Mrs. Brown that Casey could do the part for Amelia. And that leads us to our solution, that Casey gets over her fear and Miss Brown has her play Amelia's part in the play. Now, she wasn't thrilled because she didn't think she could do it. She said that she was shy. But as you go through, it says she knew the words to all the songs by heart. And her friend Kareem had said that she should try out for a play. So we knew that he thought she was good enough to be in the play, but she didn't think that she would like to be on stage because she was too shy. So that could have been another problem that you said. Even though Amelia broke her foot and can't do the play, another problem in the story is that Casey isn't very confident. She's shy to get up in front of the group of people. But Miss Brown says it's a disaster. We need your help. So we can infer that Casey, since she saves the play, that she actually ended up doing that part. And we talked about inferences last week. It doesn't always tell you exactly what happens in the story, but we can infer from the title and the events in the story that Casey probably said yes and took Amelia's part in the play. So that would be the solution. So make sure you have that filled out, and you're going to practice problem and solution with a story on your reading level for homework this week on the other problem and solution map. Remember, there might not be this many actions that take place in the story that lead to your solution, and that's okay, as long as you have one or two listed, as many as your story allows. If you have questions, don't forget to bring them in and put them on a Post-it and put them on the parking lot for us to discuss whole group.